This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and verifying your account, so Roblox allows voice features. This matters because age gates protect safety. Once done, open Settings and turn on Voice Chat and Spatial Voice to get positional audio. Next, grant microphone permission in your operating system or browser and pick the correct input device in the sound settings. Make sure background apps aren't blocking the mic. Doing these first steps prevents permission errors and gets you ready to join a voice-enabled experience. You now join a voice-enabled Roblox experience. Choose servers or games with voice badges. Once inside, open the in-game audio panel to set your microphone sensitivity and speaker volume so others hear you clearly without clipping. Spatial audio gives directional cues. Use it for immersion and situational awareness. Make sure you toggle mute when needed and set voice access to friends only if you prefer privacy. Test with a friend or the game's local test, so you know how you sound before full participation. You wrap up by muting or leaving voice sessions and double-checking your settings to control who can talk to you. Manage friends and block or report anyone abusing voice chat to keep interactions safe. If something goes wrong, try the most effective fix first. Ensure your microphone device is selected, check OS and browser permissions, update audio drivers, and restart Roblox. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, test the mic in another app to isolate whether Roblox or your hardware is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.